Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Azure Application Gateway and related resources, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Azure Application Gateway and related resources, start by logging into the Azure portal. Navigate to the All Services section from the left-hand menu. In the search bar, type Application Gateways and select it from the results. Locate the specific application gateway you wish to uninstall. Click on the Application Gateway to open its configuration settings. In the Overview blade, find and select the Delete option at the top. A confirmation window will appear. Review the details to ensure you are uninstalling the correct resource. Type the name of the application gateway to confirm the deletion. Click the Delete button to proceed. Next, navigate to the Resource Groups section in the Azure portal. Find the resource group that contains the application gateway. Select the resource group to see all associated resources. Check if there are any public IP addresses tied to the application gateway. If there are, select the public IP address resource. Click on Delete to remove the public IP address. Return to the resource group overview. Identify any other related resources, such as backend pools, HTTP settings, or listeners. Delete each of these resources one by one. Once all related resources are deleted, review the resource group. Ensure it no longer contains any remnants of the application gateway. If you plan to remove the resource group entirely, select Delete Resource Group from the menu. Type the name of the resource group to confirm this action. Click Delete to remove the entire resource group if needed. Finally, check the Notifications section for the status of your deletion tasks. Ensure that all resources have been successfully uninstalled. Your Azure Application Gateway and related resources are now completely uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.